Hello students, today I will be teaching from the chapter Profit and Loss. Now first of all, let me give you some formulas. So I have already written the formulas, you can see the formulas. And those formulas are there in the book also. So you can see those from the book and you can by heart it. But you have to memorize the formula so that you can learn it and you can apply it in the doing the sum. So first of all, what is SP? SP means selling price. SP means selling price. CP means cost price. Okay, now what is the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. When there is profit, then selling price will be more than the cost price. Alright, now next is the loss. What is loss? If we subtract the SP from CP, when there is loss, that means cost price will be more than the selling price. Then next is profit percent. So this is given by the formula. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Then next is loss percent, loss by CP into 100. Now when the profit percent is given, how to find out the selling price? Now that is 100 plus profit percent by 100 into cost price. Then when loss percent is given, how to find out the selling price? That is 100 minus cost percent by 100 into CP, that is cost price. Then to find out the cost price, when selling price is given and the profit percent is given. So in this case 100 by 100 plus profit percent into selling price. Then the other formula is when the loss percent is given and selling price is given, how to find out the CP, that is 100 by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. So all these formulas are given in the book also. You can see it from the book and you can learn it. You have to memorize it so that you can do the sums properly in proper way. Now from exercise 7a we'll be doing some numericals. Okay, I think already you have copied all these formulas. You can make a note of it, all the formulas for the profit and loss. Now next we'll do some numericals from exercise 7a. So if you take out exercise 7a and you can see the questions from there. Exercise 7a. From there, let's do first of all question number 1. Question number 1, Roman number 1. Question number 1, Roman number 1. CP equal to rupees 750. Okay. Then SP equal to rupees, that is 875. Now from there, you find out either gain or loss percent. Okay. Now to find out the gain means profit. Profit or gain is same thing. So to find out the gain or profit, you have to see whether SP is more than CP or not. Now in this case, you see selling price is 875 and the cost price is rupees 750. Now that means there is a gain. Okay. So the question is given, you find out the gain percent or loss percent. Now you have to see whether it is a gain or loss. Now if selling price is more than the cost price, then it is a gain or profit. So first of all you write what is gain. Gain equal to rupees 875 minus 750, that is SP minus CP. Okay, you can write gain percent or profit percent, that is the same. If you subtract, how much you get? You get 5, you get 2, then you get 1, rupees 120. Okay, now to find out gain percent. So therefore gain percent equal to gain by CP or profit by CP. Gain percent, profit percent is same. I think all of you have done in class 7 also, 6, 7 also. This is profit and loss. So this is the same, just revision chapter only for you. So gain by CP, 125 by 750. What is the CP? 750. So gain by CP into 100. Okay. Now we can proceed this one 100 and this one 750, 0 cut. Okay. Then it will be divided by 5. That means you get 15. Okay. Then by 5 you get 2 here. Okay. Now then again you can divide this one by 5, that means you get 3 here. Again if you divide 125 by 5, you will get 25. Okay, that means you get 50 by 3. 25 into 2, that is 50 by 3. That means you get 16 whole 2 by 3%. That is the gain percent. Okay, so that is the answer. It is clear to you. So first of all, we see the what is the SP and CP. Now if SP is more than CP, then it is a gain. Then you find out the gain. Then you find out the gain percent by using the formula. Okay, gain by CP into 100. All right. Now next, let's take one sum, that is where CP is more than SP. All right. So let's take this Roman number 4. Question number 1, Roman number 4. Question number 4. What is given? CP equal to rupees 58.75. Okay. Then SP equal to rupees 51.70. Now if you see here, CP is more than SP, that means it is a loss. So you can write down the loss equal to, that is rupees 58.75 minus 51.70. So how much will you get? If you subtract, you get here 5, then get 0, then point, then you get here 7.05. Okay, if you subtract it, you get 7.05. That is the loss. Now you find out the loss percent. Loss percent equal to, what is the formula? Loss by CP into 100. So 7.05 by CP. CP is how much? 58.75. 58.75. Okay. Then into 100. Alright. Into 100. Now what will get? Now actually this is 7.05, then here 58.7, that means what? 705 by 100, and here 58.5875 by 100. Same decimal places. Okay. Now you don't cut it here, you just divide it. 705 by 100 into 100 by 5875. Okay, then into 100. 100 cut. Okay, now how much you get? You get 705, that is equal to 705 by 5875. Alright. Now if you divide it, but don't do the division here, you do in the rough place. So 70500 by 5875. 5875. Okay. So it will go one time. 5875. 5. That means what you get? You get here 4. Okay. Then here you get here this 9. Then 9. That means you get 1. Okay. Then here you get 1. Okay. So just take it. There is this is 7 only. 7 is it? So 5. Then this is 7. 5, then this is okay, 0, then 5, 14, 1 carry, that will be plus 1, 9 plus 0, 10, okay. Alright, now what will do? 0 will be there. Now see, does it go by any whole number? 2. Yes. So you will multiply by 2. How much you get? 0, you get 5, you get 16, 17, 1 carry, then 1. Yes. So 12. So 1, 1, 7, 5. This one you do in the rough work. Don't do it here together with this calculation. Okay. So it will be 12 then percent. So what is the loss percent? Loss percent equal to 12%. So that is the answer. Is it clear to you? I hope it is clear to you. So this way you can find out the whether it is a gain or loss. Then you can find out the gain percent or loss percent accordingly. Okay. Now next let's do the other sums. Let's do question number 2. Now what is the question? Ranjit purchased an Almira for rupees 5248 and paid rupees 127 for its transportation, and he sold it for rupees 6020. Now find his loss or gain percent. Now first of all you find out what is the total cost you are getting, then you compare with the selling price. Now then you see the whether it is a gain or loss, then accordingly you find out the gain percent or loss percent. Is it clear to you? Now let's do question number 3. Question number 3. What is given? Given cost price of Almira equal to rupees 5248. Okay. Now cost for transportation that is equal to rupees how much it is? 127. Okay. Now you have to find out what is the total cost price. Therefore total cost price equal to, that is rupees 5248 plus 127. Now if you add up, how much you get? You get 515, then you get 7. Okay, then you get here 3, then you get 5 rupees 5375. That is the total cost price. Now what is the selling price of the Almira? Selling price equal to rupees 6020. Okay, selling price is rupees 6020. Now you see the selling price is more than the total cost price. That means it is a gain. So you write, therefore gain equal to, that is 6020 minus 5375. Alright. So how much you get? 6020 then minus 5375. Okay, so if you subtract, how much you get? You get here 5, then it will be 11, that means it will be 4. Okay, then again it will be 9 here, that means it will be 6. Alright, so if you just check, so 10, then 1 carry, 11 plus 1, 12, then 1 carry, 6 plus 9 plus 1, 10, 1, then it will be 6. So that is 645. That is the gain. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the gain percent. So what is the gain percent? Gain percent equal to, now what is the formula? Gain by CP into 100. That means gain is 645. Okay, gain is 645. Then by total 6, that is 5375. Then into 100. Okay, so that is the gain percent. Now if you just multiply, you get 64500. 64500, then by 5375. how much you get? You can divide it 64500 64500 by 5375. So one time it will go 5375 5. Okay, then here will be 7. All right, then here will be 0, will be 1. Okay, so you just you can check it. All right. Okay, now this is 0. Now with what it will go? By